Welcome to a crucial discussion on passenger bus maintenance. Keeping the wheels turning. In passenger transportation, ensuring bus reliability and safety is paramount, safeguarding lives and maintaining seamless operations. This session will delve into maintenance, from preventative measures to regulatory compliance. Emphasizing a proactive approach. Preventative maintenance is the cornerstone of bus fleet operation. It's about anticipating issues before they escalate. Fleets prioritizing routine service often see remarkable results. Up to 30% fewer breakdowns and a 20% reduction in maintenance costs. This proactive stance extends vehicle lifespan, minimizes costly emergency repairs, and, most importantly, upholds passenger safety. Key maintenance tasks include regular inspections, thorough cleaning, and timely repairs. Routine procedures like oil changes, fluid level checks, and regular testing of critical systems. Brakes, lights, electrical are non-negotiable. Establishing clear maintenance schedule guidelines, checking all fluid levels. Inspecting tires and wheels, testing lights and signals. Verifying brake operation, and checking for visible leaks forms the bedrock of a robust maintenance program. The transition from reactive to proactive maintenance is a strategic imperative. Investing in preventative measures actively minimizes vehicle downtime and averts expensive emergency repairs. To streamline these processes, adopting maintenance tracking software is highly recommended. These digital tools automate reminders for recurring tasks, enhancing operational efficiency. An effective maintenance strategy involves the entire team. Drivers, as the first line of defense, should be thoroughly trained on pre- and post-trip walkarounds. Their daily pre-trip inspections are invaluable in catching potential issues early, directly contributing to passenger safety. Forging partnerships with qualified commercial vehicle mechanics ensures specialized needs are handled by experts. Now, let's break down key inspection and maintenance areas for comprehensive upkeep. The engine system requires meticulous attention, checking engine oil level and condition, coolant level and concentration, air filter condition, fuel filter and water separator, drive belts tension, radiator hoses, and engine mounts. The brake system is paramount for safety. Inspections must cover brake fluid level and condition, pad thickness, rotor drum condition, air brake system pressure and leaks, parking brake operation, brake lines, and ABS functionality. The electrical system powers much of the bus. This involves checking battery, alternator, starter motor, all exterior and interior lighting, emergency exits, dashboard gauges, warning lights, and wiring harnesses. Tires and wheels are the vehicle's direct connection to the road. Monitoring tire pressure including spare, tread depth, wear patterns, sidewall condition, wheel rims, and lug nuts torque specification are essential. Tire rotation is important for longevity. The transmission and drivetrain components ensure smooth power delivery. This area requires checking transmission fluid level and condition, timely transmission filter replacement, differential oil, drive shaft and U-joints, CV joints, and clutch operation. Beyond these core systems, HVAC and heating require regular maintenance. A thorough chassis and structural inspection identifies frame cracks, rust, or weld fatigue. All safety equipment, fire extinguishers, first aid kits, reflectors must be present and working. Functioning emergency exits, proper mirror alignment, clear aisles, and interior cleanliness contribute significantly to safety. Regular fluid and filter replacement across all systems should follow manufacturer schedules. Scheduled services ensure ongoing vigilance. Weekly checks clean and inspect air filter, check battery and connections. Inspect belts and hoses, test emergency equipment, lubricate chassis. Monthly comprehensive brake inspection, suspension check, detailed engine inspection, HVAC performance test, update maintenance records. Quarterly, annually complete fluid changes, scheduled filter replacements, wheel alignment. Comprehensive safety inspection, emissions testing where required. Regulatory compliance and safety standards are non-negotiable. Staying updated on DOT regulations is paramount, as is maintaining thorough records for compliance. Emerging legislation, like the potential School Bus Safety Act of 2025, USA, could mandate new safety equipment. 3-point belts, automatic braking, event recorders, fire suppression. This act may also outline driver training. Guidance is available for electronic braking performance monitoring systems. And it's essential to be aware of the CVSA's out of service criteria, which certified personnel use. The 2025 criteria supersede previous versions. In the UK, expanding clean air zones necessitate awareness for operators, potentially requiring upgrades or strategic route planning. The shift to digital record keeping is also a standard. New vehicle safety technology requirements for registered HGVs and PSVs, such as Advanced Driver Assistance Systems (ADAS), are coming into force. Changes to MO Center service charges also warrant attention. Canadian regulations, specifically Transport Canada's Motor Vehicle Safety Regulations, MVSR, and the Canada Motor Vehicle Safety Standards CMVSS, dictate requirements for school buses. Amendments to Technical Standards Documents TSDs may occur. Finally, additional considerations are crucial. Detailed maintenance records are vital for tracking patterns and predicting future needs. A comprehensive emergency plan, including roadside assistance, is a must. Different components have varying lifespans, requiring inspection replacement at specific intervals. School bus construction adheres to stringent standards for structural integrity, crash protection, and emergency equipment. In Canada, the CSAD 250 school bus standard specifies chassis, body, and safety equipment. By embracing these comprehensive practices and staying abreast of regulations, bus operators ensure continuous, safe, and efficient operation of their fleets, truly keeping the wheels turning for passengers every day.